We collaborate a lot with a lot of parties. As you know, we are members of the United Opposition. By a decision of the NEC, it's not an individual decision, by a decision of the NEC in Jubilee. And we continue working with all our colleagues and parties in the United Opposition very respectively, working towards a point at which we will discuss the presidential candidature and what will happen in our participation in the elections in 2027. And all that we are doing with full respect and understanding that in democratic practice, people have rights to express themselves, have rights to belong, have rights to associate and engage however they choose to engage. Our party leader too, despite the fact that he's a retired head of state, he has a right to engage, he has a right to participate. After all, it makes nonsense of our claim to be a multi-party democracy if we are going to frown at the views of others or the participation of others to us. So we would like to request our colleagues in the national leadership. We believe they have much more work to do that they need to spend time on, so that they'll spend less time on our party leader